A very good morning, class. So as you all know, you already started with the chapter number 8, and the name of the chapter is correspondence with depositors. Okay, in last lecture we have finished with introduction part, and we saw under what circumstances, under which circumstances the secretary write letter to the depositors, and what are the precautions the secretary has to take when he or she communicating with the depositor of the company. So in this lecture we continuing with the specimen letters. The following are few circumstances under which a secretary has to enter into a correspondence with the depositors. Okay, so we are going to start with our first specimen letter of this chapter. The first letter dealing with the thanking the depositors of the company, the amount with the company, and showing faith for depositing amount into the company and showing faith on behalf of the company. Thank you letter written by the secretary of the company to the depositor who have given the deposit amount to the company and showing faith and trust in them. So before we start, some revision questions as we always do, class. So here is some questions I am putting in front of you. So revision questions. First one, what do you mean by deposit receipt? In how many days in the deposit receipt given to the depositors? Which companies are allowed to collect deposits from the public? So all in this topic we have already covered in lesson number 5. So just recall it. Question number 1, a deposit receipt nothing but a proof in the form of receipt which shown that the depositors has deposited the money with the institution or within the institution or a company. Okay, so as you get the share certificate, as you get the debenture certificate, in the same way depositor get the deposit receipt when you invest or deposit your money with the कंपनी और इंस्टीट्यूशन. मतलब जब आप कंपनी में पैसा इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं या कोई इंस्टीट्यूशन में पैसा इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, डिपॉजिट कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद जैसे हमें डिबेंचर हम लोग अगर इशू करेंगे तो वहाँ पे हमें डिबेंचर सर्टिफिकेट दिया जाता है. शेयर अगर हमारे नाम पे अलॉट हो रहे हैं तो हमें शेयर सर्टिफिकेट दिया जाता है. तो वैसे ही जब हम कंपनी के अंदर डिपॉजिट करते हैं तो कंपनी हमें क्या देती है? डिपॉजिट रिसिप्ट. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वॉज इन हाउ मेनी डेज days you get this receipt. आपको कितने दिन में मिलेगा? So within 21 days from the date of acceptance of deposits, the company has to send it to the depositor. Okay, next, which company are allowed to collect deposit from the public? So both public and eligible public company are acceptable as per the Companies Act. Private companies cannot accept deposit from the public. So these things which we are already covered in the chapter number 5. So starting with the first specimen letter, that is thanking the depositor for depositing amount with the company. The letter of thanks is sent to the depositor by a company immediately after receiving the deposits. This letter gives detailed information or detail regarding the deposit, that is how much is the deposit amount, what is the date of the deposits, for how much time period. Okay, time period कितना है? Period of a deposit. As you know, company cannot accept deposit for less than 6 months and more than 36 months. Okay, the deposit receipt, which is a proof of receipt of deposit, is sent to the depositor with this letter within 21 days from the date of acceptance of deposit. This is how the format is given in your textbook. One of the thanking letter written by the secretary of the company. Okay, So name of the company, Guru Industries Limited. The register address you see over here along with the CIN number. The pattern remains the same. Pattern same है जैसे हमने पहले लेटर्स देखे थे वैसा ही पैटर्न है. On the left hand side you see phone number, fax number and reference number are given over here. On the right hand side website, email address and date. The letter is written on 10th April 2019. So this is very first part, the title, the heading of the letter. Okay, after that then you write the letter to Mr. Sarangdhar Naik. Okay, उसका उनका inside address दिया हुआ है, residential address is given. Then subject is thanking the depositor for fixed deposit. Okay, dear sir, we are in a receipt of your application date 5th April 2019 for investment of 1 lakh in a fixed deposit as per terms and conditions stated in the advertisement for a period of 2 years. We are thankful to you for for the initiative and the trust you have shown in depositing the substantial amount in our company. Okay, so as you can see, Mr. Naik deposited 1 lakh rupees as a fixed deposit in a company as per the advertisement which was given, and this particular FD means fixed deposit for a period of 2 years. So advertisement, what is they? That means this particular deposit is collected from the public. Okay, so we are thankful for the initiative and the trust which you have shown in depositing a substantial amount in our company. So they are thanking to Mr. Naik for showing their faith and taking this initiative and depositing money in their company. Okay, the details of the deposits accepted are given in the following schedule. Okay, so first one is fixed deposit receipt number 678. Okay, the amount is of rupees 1 lakh for a period of 2 years. The rate of interest that Mr. Naik will be getting as per 12.5%. The name of the bank is Citibank and the bank details are given over here. Bank account number also given. The ending digits are given. Ending 6 digit उन्होंने दिए हुए 22040. The board of director of our company express its gratitude for depositing money in our company. We ensure you of our best service and thank you for the confidence shown in our company. So thanking you faithfully for Guru Industries Limited, signed by Mr. Nitin Modi, the general manager and the company secretary. The enclosure is here. Fixed deposit receipt number 678 has been sent along with the letter. So as you see class, the format is very much easy and they have thanking Mr. Naik for showing trust and faith in the company and taking such initiative, and also the board of directors are expressing their gratitude same. So with this class the first letter is finished and it is very much easy, and as you all know, whenever we go through the letters I always tell you all keep practicing letter 2 to 3 times in your notebook as a homework. Okay, and thank you so much for listening to me.